like Luigi. I mean, like
Luigi. Fair choice, actually.
No. To be fair, when I play as Mario in Mario Kart, because I have the Wii in that, like when I play as him, I always lose. Like I always come like what 12? I don't know how many characters are in the game because I haven't played it in a while. But when I play Luigi, boom, I win.
All right.
Okay. Isn't that the forest?
By the looks of it. Want to go in?
No.
Why not? Come on, it'll be
No, but the thing is, bro, like, people got missing in that forest.
I guess.
Then how many?
But we could solve the mysteries of them. We could see. We'll find out why.
Oh yeah, Scooby-Doo.
Yeah.
Hello, Reggie.
Yeah, why not?
Alright, let's do it.
Come on then. Yes.
I don't think I could do this.
Really?
I don't know, man. Quite nervous.
I am too, to be honest, but I'm going in anyway, so you could come in if you want. And if
you're going in, I'm gonna have to go in, man.
All right, come on in then. Join.
You have to go first. I'll be right behind you.
Yeah, I'll go first, happily.
Go on then.
All right. Come on, see? Nothing to be scared of. Oh, someone's ringing, I think. Oh, just my mum.
Right.
Hello? No, I'm not in that forest, I'm just at Ted's house. 5:15? Alright, cool. I'll see you then. Bye.
Bro, why did you lie to me?
What?
Why did you lie to your mum?
I'll get in so much trouble if I'm caught here.
Well, let's just go back.
But it's boring back there. Why be back there when you can be here?
Where people get killed.
We can fix it. We can see. We will find who's behind all of this. It'll be fun.
Screw it. Let's go.
Yes. Yeah.
Yo, who are you?
All right, I'm going after it.
Bro.
If you, what? Come on.
For God's sake.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I think he went through there, but I'm out of breath, man.
Oh, have one of these. All right, I'm going that way.
He's a mank. Sam! Sam, where are you? Sam!
Ted! Where'd he go? Ted! No.